What's going on, YouTube family? I have been inactive, but active at the same time. But for good reason. I'm in school handling some business. So this is a video short, but I will say, check this out. Somebody has a new toy. Looks like a extra camera is going to be going into the arsenal. But yeah, because I see too many people doing some cool things, part in the garage, with this angle. So we're gonna have I gotta find a way to keep this from wiggling, but I want to kind of get like a perma fixture on it. But I feel this is gonna break. So I saw my friends set this up a certain way, but I don't want the carbon fiber getting rubbed on. So I'm gonna keep playing with this. I'm gonna figure it out. I'm gonna get something nice, cool, something permanent. You see with the 14, the angle, I was gonna do something back here, but I think it's too low. I want it kind of high enough to kind of see over, and then my GoPro Max 360 I'll have here, and the Insta 360 here. So no editing, no nothing, just a raw video. But yeah, something's coming soon, just for rides, like to get a different dynamic look to it. But I'm gonna do fewer videos, but like gonna push the boundaries just a little bit. I want you to like what you see. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Just a little update. Shout out to my Discord people. Shout out to our local folks like Moto Mac, ASAP Moto, Absolute Cycle. Shout out to Ricky and in the towing business and all that. Next Era Transport, and then to my man's For Less Towing, Ray. I didn't forget about you. I'm gonna put a word out for my peoples. But there you have it. This is gonna look good. Can't wait till it's done. See you in the next one.